Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix FaceTime activation error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing FaceTime activation error, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app here, go to general and go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. After updating software, just go back from here and just scroll down and look for app section. Select this, scroll down and look for FaceTime app here. Select FaceTime app, and now in FaceTime, you just have to enable this toggle to activate your FaceTime app. Just enable this toggle. It will take a while, sometimes it might take 5 to 10 seconds. So once your FaceTime has been enabled, you will get all the app settings of FaceTime here. So just wait for that here. So once your FaceTime has been activated, you'll get all of app settings here. And now you can easily use your FaceTime without any activation error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.